Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Lily and in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your profile picture on Facebook. So for that, tap the Facebook icon to open the app. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom of the screen. Now you are in your profile page. In order to change the profile picture, tap the camera icon just next to your profile picture. Now tap on select profile picture to select a new profile picture. Now click on more just next to camera roll in order to get access to your photos in camera roll. Now select the photo that you like. If you want to add a caption to your profile picture, then tap on say something about your profile picture section and simply write a caption. After you are done, tap on save in the top right corner. And therefore you have successfully changed your profile picture. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.